Well, as I said, we're back in the car with Jace and the Integra. This is the on-road part, so hopefully we'll get some good footage of it and you can hear what this beast sounds like. Well, since the last time you've seen it on the channel, he's fitted a new carbon spoiler on it, and he's also had all the front end resprayed. Which parts did you have resprayed?
He did the bonnet, the wings, the bumper. He also did the rear quarters.
Yeah, it does look a lot better. So, in a sec, we get to feel what 277 brake horsepower of naturally aspirated car feels like. Well, this is first gear pull from start.
We are going to lose a bit of traction.
Yeah, and this is private roads, it's not public. That flipping shifts, that does.
Well, that was 100 there, from standstill to dead on 100.
It didn't say that, it's a private road.
100 kilometers an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy, absolutely crazy. I don't know, it's just mental. I've always been into turbo cars myself, you just can't beat boost. I love boost, but I'm shocked how this goes. Yeah, with no turbo. Actually sounds like a turbo, that intake.
Yeah.
The way it's there. Yeah, the way it sounds.
When I'm just pressing the accelerator there, it's just touching it.
Yeah. It's got a nice sound out the exhaust, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's quite...
that new exhaust you fitted.
It's quite a deep tone, actually. I was told before it was fitted in, it's quite a deep tone. There's a guy I'm friendly with, John Green. Cheers, pal. He offered to send me his exhaust to see what it sounded like before I bought one.
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
You're gonna drop the box.
We'll do a roll in third. 4,500 revs, 50.
That shifts.
It's alright. It's good fun. It's fun more than anything.
Yeah.
When people ask if it's fast, I'm not really sure how to answer it.
Wow.
I just find it more fun.
Shocking. Well, you got any future mods planned? Engine mods?
Engine-wise, when Jesse mapped it, JCal, he did tell me that I had this really, really good bottom end, and I'm strangling it by the cams I'm using because they're only standard DC5 cams.
So you're thinking of a cam upgrade then?
Yeah, I think it's on the cards, definite, but
Yeah.
it's probably going to be stage 3 Brian Crowers.
Yeah. Well,
high comp cams.
If those cams happen, if he gets the cams done, we'll get some footage of that. Probably get some rolling road footage as well.
Oh yeah.
Be interesting to see, wouldn't it? Well, I'm going to end the video there, and well, I'm going to JDM Coombe. It's about a week from now, so I'll be getting footage of JDM Coombe. If you want to feature your car on the channel, there'll be my email address in the description. Send me a quick email, and we can work something out and get your car on the channel. So yeah, if you
Keep
can.
an eye out. We're going to be there. This will be there.
Yeah.
And Luke's 380 brakes, FK2 Civic Type R, he'll be there with me as well. We'll be on the South Wales Honda owners page.
And if you notice us there, come and say hello.
Yeah,
be good
please
to
do.
see you.
I like meeting new people.
Come and have a look at this car. Have a look at what he's done in the engine bay. It is immaculate. He's done a lot of work to it. So, right then, I'll leave the video there. I'm fucking it up again. I'll end the video there, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be quite soon.
And let's